Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover possessive adjectives. There is a separate playlist on adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box. Now what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's jump right in. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjective shows ownership or possession. So possession, name itself suggests that it talks about ownership, possession or belonging, and it talks about a belonging of a noun because here we are referring to possessive adjectives, right? So it describes the belongingness, the ownership or the possession of a noun, and they answer the question whose, that we'll have a look at in a while. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, their, our, your, etc. It's not out, it's our. Have a look at these examples here. He must complete his work. So put a question, whose work? His work, right? And take notice of the fact that whenever we have to differentiate between a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective, how will you differentiate? The point of differentiation is you always put a possessive adjective before a noun, and therefore in possessive pronoun we do not put nouns near them, right? So therefore this is a possessive adjective, his work. Whose work? His work. The next example is do your duty. Whose duty? Your duty, right? Duty is noun and therefore you have attached a possessive adjective to show the sense of belonging, to show the sense of ownership, to sense the sense of belonging, that something belongs to this noun, something belongs to that noun. Okay, it refers to belongingness, ownership or possession of a noun, and therefore they answered the question whose. And the list of possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, their, ours and your. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing.